What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel with another video. Today I want to show you how to install the backsplash on this wall. This is a new kitchen I installed. I had a video, I put the link in description, so make sure to check that out. So first we need to patch all the hole we have on the wall to have a nice surface behind our tile we're gonna install, and then we're gonna go ahead and install this tile on the wall. So if you're interested to learn how to do it, so stay with me and watch this video until to the end. First, if you're new to this channel, please make sure subscribe and hit the bell notification. You don't miss our video in future. We upload the video every Monday, so make sure you don't miss it out. So first here we're gonna make sure all the wall is level. If it's not huge different, don't worry, you don't need to patch it everywhere. If you see a lot of different, you have to fill it up to the mud so you have a nice surface. And then we're gonna clean the wall with the spray to make sure there is no grease from cooking on the wall. So we're gonna make one line. So the way you have to do, you put your lasers to make one line, and so that's your guideline, and you start your tile from that. Or I just put the level on the granite to see if it's level, and I put my granite as a level. So I'm gonna start from the granite. So but make sure your ground is not going up and down, so you have a big gap between that. So and then I'm gonna put everything on the place. So I'm gonna put this, and I measure in the beginning, so how many tile I need. So I see if I put one this here and I make the line, I already made the line, you see that line, and then I'm gonna put another one in the top, so I know it's gonna take one tile in the bottom, and if I take the top part out, so I'm gonna put one tile in the top. So you want to know how many tile, how is gonna put the tile in the wall. So and then start it. I make my line with the level here, so to make sure the tile is stop there, and next tile is gonna stop after that line. So make sure you cover your granite with some cardboard and put the tape. You see I put the blue tape so to hold it in the place. And when you put your tile, make sure you have a sponge with the water, so every time you put it, you have to clean your towel for sure, so to make sure there is no mud on your towel. Another thing, as you see, I didn't cut the beginning of my towel, so I just said I'm gonna fill up those space after that I finish it. But don't do this. You have to make the straight line in the beginning and start your line straight. So you can do both way, but it's harder the way I did. So after here I'm gonna start cutting the tile in the beginning. See, the gap between the two tile is not same. You can use the spacer. I use the spacer sometimes to make the gap straight until the tile get dry. Alright, to cut that corner part, I measured from that bottom piece to the wall, and then I came here on the tile and I measured from the corner piece, the bottom piece, and to the middle, and I made a mark, and then I'm gonna put my triangle, and I make a mark here, and I turn that and make another line, so I know I have to cut here. So we're gonna put that on this tile cutter, and I'll show you how to cut that as well. So I already cut that. I'm gonna show you this, and then I'm gonna cut the another one and show you exactly how to cut it. So because I don't want to waste the towel when I cut it. So I use one piece here. As you see, it's gonna match perfect. I'm gonna put that here, and I use the other piece right here. So that way you use the other half, and you start right here. You don't waste any tile. So I put this tile temporary here. I'm gonna measure the other tile I wanna cut. So it's a 5 3/4. I'm gonna come here and put the mark on the towel, the same thing in the bottom one, because I measure from the bottom of 5 3/4. So I make my line and I'm ready to cut it with this towel cutter. So you put your line exactly in the middle on this one. I put the line exactly in the middle and I'm ready to cut. So the way you want to cut it, let me explain here. We have one blade, so that's one, you see, that one is a blade, and you have to roll that on the towel, and the other piece you have to break it after that. So we're gonna bring that close and roll it on the towel. So you just have to go slow, don't push it too much, and then you come back and push it with the broke it with the other piece. That's it. So you can use this trick. You see this blue tape I put. If one of your small tile doesn't stick, you can put the blue tape and it's gonna keep that stay over there. Another trick, I put some mortar in the back of the towel just to make sure it is stick good so it doesn't come up. So there's two ways you can cut around the outlet. One way, the way I do right now. So I'm gonna cut it around it the way I'm comfortable, and I fill all the area. I leave it empty later on. So you see there's a big space. I have to fill that later. This is the second way you can do the tile around the outlet. The first way I just go around it, but this way I'm gonna mark it and I'm gonna cut the tile right now, so I don't need to fill any tile later. So be done right now. I like this one, but I show you guys both ways, so whatever you comfortable. If you guys like the video so far, please push the like button. For the YouTube algorithm, that's gonna help my channel a lot. That's totally free. Just push the like button for me. I really appreciate. Subscribe to the channel. I will show you how to fix a problem around your home. Let's continue. I'll show you another trick when you have a small cut, so you cannot break it with the towel breaker, so you have to put it in the corner of your granite and just hold it and break it over there. So believe me, it's gonna happen for you too. Behind your gas stove, you have to pull the gas stove out to do the tile behind your gas stove. Put the level make the line, and that's your guideline. You can put your child on that line. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Make sure subscribe the channel, hit the bell notification, destroy the like button for me to grow the channel together. This is our channel. I wish to can help you guys to do the stuff around your home by yourself without paying anyone. I really appreciate. Check the description below and fix your home without paying anyone.